Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change text keyboard on Android. Changing the text keyboard lets you update the overall design, making it feel like a brand new keyboard, and it's simple to do so. And here's a clear or beginner-friendly guide you can follow on most Android phones. First is to unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap the System or General Management on some devices. Then tap the languages and input. Choose on-screen keyboard or keyboard. Turn on the keyboard you want to use, such as Gboard, Samsung keyboard, SwiftKey, etc. And confirm by tapping OK. And now it is enabled. And if you don't have a new keyboard, just open the Google Play Store, then search for keyboard app, for example, Gboard or Microsoft SwiftKey. Install the keyboard app, then go to the Settings, System, Languages and Input, then On-Screen Keyboard. Choose the new keyboard you want to use, then toggle it on, then confirm it. Finally, make sure you toggle on the other keyboards. Then open any app with text input to test the keyword. Start typing and your new keyword is now active. Helpful tips: you can switch keyboards while typing by long pressing the spacebar. Customize the themes, layouts, and languages inside the keyboard settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.